We are leaving the sunlight behind. At 1,000 meters, we enter the midnight zone, a place where the sun's rays never reach. Here, the water is freezing and the silence is absolute. Welcome back to our journey to the deepest parts of our planet. Today, we go beyond the known.
How does life survive in a world without plants? The answer is marine snow. It's a never-ending shower of organic material, dead plankton and fish scales drifting down from the surface. For the creatures below, this snow is the only thing keeping them alive in the desert of the deep. Meet the Gulper Eel. In a place where food is scarce, you can't afford to miss a meal. This creature has evolved a mouth much larger than its own body, allowing it to swallow prey whole that are bigger than itself. Its tail ends in a glowing red lure, a deadly lantern in the dark. In 1997, hydrophones across the Pacific picked up a sound so loud it was heard 5,000 kilometers away. It was called the Bloop. For years, people feared it was a gargantuan sea monster. While scientists now say it was the sound of an icequake, the mystery of what truly lurks in the unexplored 95% of the ocean remains. Near tectonic plates, the Earth's crust cracks, releasing 400-degree mineral-rich water. These are hydrothermal vents. Around these black smokers, life thrives, not on sunlight, but on chemicals. Here, giant tube worms and blind shrimp exist in a world that feels like another planet. Reaching the bottom of the Mariana Trench is harder than going to the moon. In 2012, filmmaker James Cameron descended 11,000 meters alone in the deep-sea Challenger. He described the bottom as a bleak lunar landscape, a place where time seems to stand still. At 8,000 meters, the pressure would crush a human like an aluminum can. Yet the snailfish lives here comfortably. Its body is gelatinous and its bones are made of soft cartilage. It is the deepest living fish ever discovered, proving that life finds a way even in the most extreme conditions.
The ocean floor is littered with black gold, polymetallic nodules. These small rocks contain manganese, nickel and cobalt, minerals essential for our smartphones and electric cars. A new gold rush is beginning, but at what cost to this fragile ecosystem?
Even at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, the deepest place on Earth, explorers found something heartbreaking: a plastic bag. Our footprint has reached the abyss before our full understanding of it has. The deep ocean is not a trash can. It is the heart of our planet's climate. We have explored more of the Moon and Mars than our own oceans. The abyss remains the last great frontier on Earth. As we look into the dark, we aren't just looking at water. We are looking at the history of life itself. Join us in part 3 as we explore the giants of the deep. Subscribe to stay dived in.